This is the super simple case for 175-ounce silver. When renowned investor and billionaire Eric Sprott raised $550 million to start his physical silver fund, PSLV, it was well known that his purchase would move the silver price higher. In my recent interview with David Morgan, David touched on this and provided us with some quantifiable facts which are very interesting and which we can use to determine the future price of silver.
When Sprott did his silver physical trust,
Right, PSLV.
right, it was pretty well known amongst us that it would probably take about 2 months to get that much silver and remove the price about $4. Well, guess what? It took about 2 months to get that much silver and move the price about $4.
Now, if we know that $550 million will move the silver price by $4, we can easily see how just $20 billion in new funds will move the price far, far higher. In fact, if we look at just a few of the darlings of Wall Street, we see very large market caps. Apple, $331 billion. Google, $196 billion. The maligned and hated JP Morgan, $180 billion. And the fraud-riddled SLV, $9.3 billion. If just $5 billion from each of these were to flee into the safe arms of physical silver, what would happen? We know that $550 million will move the physical price of silver $4 higher. So let's take a look at what $20 billion will do. $550 million times 36 is $19.8 billion. $19.8 billion will move the price of physical silver $144. Adding back in today's current price, and that's the super simple case for 175-ounce silver. According to Eric Sprott and David Franklin, in just November 2010 alone, the demand for silver was monstrous. Inflows staggering even when looking at just two investment vehicles, the iShares Silver ETF SLV and U.S. Mint coin sales, counting nothing else. SLV alone added approximately 18 million ounces of silver just in November 2010, while the U.S. Mint sold 4.2 million ounces of silver coins. Multiplied against the then silver price of $28, money is flowing into silver at the annualized rate of $7.5 billion. Imagine what just that amount will do to physical silver. This is without a single additional hedge fund or major mutual fund moving into the physical silver market. As renowned investor Mark Faber notes in his book Tomorrow's Gold, quote, "An investor can do very well by only making a few good investment decisions over their lifetime. The trick is to make one good investment decision every decade or so based on trends that will last for years." As the good folks at Sprott remind us, owning physical silver and the associated mining stocks represents that very opportunity today. Thanks for watching the super simple case for 175-ounce silver.